TotalScumbagRC TRX4 repair. Let's go. So the old TRX4 Bronco has seen better days, in a bit of rough shape. However, it's worse than just how it looks. These axles, let's get where you can see, these axles are completely solid. This is not moving at all. Yeah. So hopefully my ASC, my servo still work. I definitely know the front locking servo doesn't work. I'm going to change the receiver. So I have been on AliExpress to get a few things. Let's see if we can get it going again. So in this bag here, AliExpress new gearbox transmission with a servo. Have a look at that. And then in this box, AliExpress special. It's about $50 each, I think. Great. Couple of new axles. There's a front steering portal so I can swap out some of these brass parts maybe onto this, but I think we'll just see how it goes. Rear axle, the battery's smooth. So yeah, AliExpress special gearbox and axles, and then I got the TotalScumbagRC cheap transmitter because I've been having trouble with the Let's Go one, so I bought that one. So maybe if we're lucky, Bronco will ride again. So let's have a go. Get the axles out. Alright, so we've pulled the two axles out. You can see that the front axle is completely seized. It's not moving at all. So we got a replacement. But yeah, we'll pull it apart and we'll see what exactly is going on. And in the rear axle department, it's like a bit stuck. But it sort of feels like maybe we could get it going. But we got this one anyway. Oh yeah, and then one last bit. This has only got a little bit of movement. It's definitely stuck. So I guess it could be the motor. The next stage is pulling that, getting that trans out. I thought I had time that, so anyway. So we're getting there a little bit. And we're working stuff out. One thing that's very interesting is that the motor is TotalScumbagRC, so maybe that's what I should have checked first really. I was just confident it would be fine. But this motor's not doing anything. Alright, interestingly, gearbox part seems to be spinning perfectly. So we got a motor issue. So just gonna pull that off so I can get it separate. Yeah. We're going to leave it at that now with our broken Surpass Hobby 27T